The Boone County health order is set to expire at noon tomorrow.
Businesses will no longer be required to socially distance guests or require them to wear masks while indoors. ABC 17's Victoria Bragg checked in with some local bars and nightclubs on their plans moving forward. And Victoria, some are planning to continue to require masks and others say they're not.
Deb Lucas, one bar told me that even though restrictions are being lifted, it'll continue to require masks as the pandemic is not over as of yet. Another bar says that it'll let the customers decide.
We prefer and a big proponent of personal responsibility over government mandates, and we will allow people to make the decisions of whether or not they want to wear masks, and that goes for customers and employees.
Nick Parks, owner of the Silver Ball, says masks will no longer be required at the bar or Level Up, as he believes in trusting citizens to make their own decisions on whether or not to wear a mask.
For people who are choosing to go to a bar or an entertainment place or a concert or a sporting event who have reason to not be concerned whether they're healthy, they've had vaccination, or they've already had it, they should have the right to choose whether or not they wear a mask.
Other bars in the area are planning to keep mask requirements. The Gold Bar downtown is one of them. As Kimberly Hunter, the manager, says, the pandemic is still not over.
Because even though the health order has expired, COVID has not. So we want to make sure that everybody is still safe.
Guests will now be able to move around the venue and get back on the dance floor, but they must wear a mask.
If you're not actively drinking, we are going to ask you, if you're dancing on the dance floor, to definitely have, a face covering on.
Both businesses said they're looking forward to having somewhat type of normalcy and also being able to run their businesses without health order restrictions. Reporting live in Columbia, I'm Victoria Bragg, ABC 17 News.
Okay, Victoria, thank you. The health department continues to recommend that individuals and businesses continue to follow CDC guidelines as the health order expires tomorrow afternoon.